In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Apple Pencil in Notion. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is Miro for this. So what we need to do is come on over to Miro, and we can open that on your iPad, etc. And then go ahead and create a new board, sign in, and then use the Apple Pencil in Miro. So select the pencil tool here, create freehand drawings, and then choose what one you want to use: highlighter, pen, smart drawing, eraser, etc. And we can edit the size of the drawing too, and then use your Apple Pencil directly on the board to go ahead and draw onto here like so. And then once you've got your drawing, we want to go ahead and click onto share. So click onto share. Now once we click share, we need to change a couple of settings here. So where it says board access, where it says anyone with a link, go ahead and change that from, if it is no access, to viewer or even editor if you want, and then click on copy board link. Now you want to grab that board link and then come back to Notion, and I'm just going to come on over here to a new page. I'm just going to call this test. And from here where it says enter, I'm going to type in embed. Click on embeds. Now we want to link that, so paste it in there, that link, click on embed link, and then that's going to show inside of Notion. Once it loads, there it is there, and we can edit this on the fly as well, and that's going to change basically straight away.